A brilliant career starts with a specialized training. Hello, I'm Elena Barone, Head of Consulting in Spin 360 and lecturer and project leader in Accademia Moda for the Masters in Fashion Sustainability and Industry Evolution. This Masters helps the students have both a theoretical and practical knowledge on the main topics of sustainability in fashion. They have the chance to work with companies, brands, material producers and many other actors in the supply chain. The group works and the industry project help the students have a full vision and a full perspective on the industry and on its evolution. It's a great chance to learn and to be specialized in this sector to have a smooth career ahead. Come and join us.